we can empower those caregivers and mothers and children around the world by code that we write sitting in our homes in North America. Another project that I've been working on recently, and I think this is an area which doesn't get enough focus from the data science world, and that's in projects that might not be necessarily for profit. That I think that data science has a large use case for social good. If it can drive systems in the developing world to make better decisions, for example, around healthcare. The data already exists in many community healthcare organizations to track which children are most likely to not adhere to a vaccine schedule, or most likely to kind of not have the situation where a mother has a choice of whether to take her child in for medical care because of certain types of patterns in different parts of the world. And we can empower those caregivers and mothers and children around the world by code that we write sitting in our homes in North America. And all it takes is volunteering your time for NGOs that might have data assets that are currently being used. And if you can anonymize it and make the data private and only used for kind of aggregate analytic purposes, but then you can also create insights for an organization about how it can run more efficiently, use its limited resources in the best ways. I think that that's a really something that's underlooked. And I really hope that the social impact, we work on this a lot with the social impact practice at BCG. We invest our own money and time of our resources to work on these things. And I really appreciate the firm for that. And I would hope to see that maybe there's grants for other people to do projects for NGOs around the world in the future.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's incredible, and you're 100% right. Like that's an area where we can help out. And even for people that are just learning, like you can still create value in those spaces. There's simply not enough people doing analytics related to NGOs, nonprofits, whatever that might be.